it's Min. Today, gagawa ko ng Valentine's makeup look. So, ito yung look na ginawa ko. So, if you like it, please panoorin nyo hanggang sa dulo. And then, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. Please. Please talaga, you know. So, yeah, let's start. First, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Next is I'm going to conceal my face using NARS Radiance Creamy Concealer. Ayan. I'm going to put some loose setting powder. I'm using this Laura Mercier. Eyebrow, I'm going to use this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use this shade right here. Next one is eyeliner. I'm going to use this Kat Von D tattoo liner. Contour, guys, I'm going to use this Kat Von D. I'm going to use this shade right here. for the blush on, guys, I'm going to use this Love Flash by Too Faced. Ito siya. I'm going to use this shade, I think, Love Hangover. This one, right here. For the highlighter, guys, I'm going to use this Mary Lou Manizer by The Balm. For my lips, guys, I'm going to use this MAC lip liner. It's called Soar. I'm going to use this MAC lipstick. It's called Twig. Last is I'm going to use this Studio Fix by MAC. For the powder, I'm going to use this brush. So guys, here is my final look. I hope nagustuhan nyo, and if nagustuhan nyo, please like and hit the thumbs up button. And then, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please mag-subscribe na kayo. Please hit also the bell button para, bell button ba yun? Yung bell para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong i-upload ulit na video. So, thank you guys sa panonood and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!